Hello, I will present the cultivation theory. I was in charge of the first part, and the latter part will be announced by um, other members. So let's get started. And this is our group members. First, there are six contents in the overview. First one is introduction, and then history and background, the evolution or development of the theory. And then the important notions, concepts, and assumptions or arguments of the theory, and the critics of the theory. And the last one is the potential future developments of the theory. Um, the first one is introduction. What is cultivation theory? History and background is in the 1960s, Gardner began research called cultivation theory. This was the first study to investigate the impact of television on viewers. When people are cumulative exposure to television information over time can foster shared culture views and of assumption. Gardner thinks that cultivation theory has cultivates our common conception of social reality and given shape and meaning to all that our idea. Um, Second is the media is I will this is a media related topic, so I did some research. The media is not only entertain people but also convey interesting and diverse message through moving image. Media continue to change with the times, and one of the reasons for researching cultivation theory is that in the 1960s, American communications scholars such as Gardner studies at the impacts of TV and viewers and what social problems would arise if exposed to media content for a long period of time. This this top this one is the evolution or development of the theory. The first products that demonstrate the success of scientific and technological advance was television. But it wasn't just about showing good television. It has played a major role in mass media by studying the influence of television on young children from cultivation theory.
The important notions, concept, and assumption or argument of the cultivation theory. Gibner proposed the development of two new conceptions, that is, rightness and mainstreaming. The rightness mean is that right to the effect that comes when a person's actual experience match the description and the message there encountered in the media. And the mainstreaming means is it can with constant exposure to media image view so similarly with other group of peoples. The critics of theory. The cultivation theory have three shortcomings. First one, oversimplification. Critics argue that the cultivation theory oversimplifies the process of media consumption by assuming that the audience is passive and does not take into account the audience's active role in interpreting and interacting with media content. Number two, causation is unclear. Cultural studies often fail to previous cause and effect definitely. This theory makes it difficult to provide that people's viewing in television led to the formation of certain beliefs or attitudes, rather than the result of certain type of content selected by certain inclined people. Audience fragmentation. In today's media environment, the audience is higher fragmented. This phenomenon challenges the idea of dominant and homogeneous media influence as processed by the cultivation theory. The potential future development of the cultivation theory, and I think it can divide three of the parts. First one, change in the media environment, media diversity, and new media. In the part, the cultivation theory focuses on the influence of mainstream media, so TV on real life and social perspective was emphasized. The media diversity is the development of new media change the way people receive and perceive information from various media. In this way, new media cultivation theory must recognize and accept the challenge in the new media environment. Okay, thank you very much for watching our presentation.